Good day, divergence traders. How we doing today? We had some trades today. We had some movement. This is good. This is very good. This is the NASDAQ 5-minute double top right there. There's the divergence. And this opening of this candle right here was the sell. Stop was 31 points. And did we get the 31 points? Got 30 there. Went down 39 points down to here. It just hit the target now. Crazy. Let's take a look now at the S&P. Oh, God, very choppy. Very ugly. Where was the open? Right here. This long wick right here. Oh, I'm tired. Very tired. So we had hidden divergence right on the opening of this candle right here. We would have sold it. Our stop would be 30 points. Went down 37 points. Or, no, that's the S and the P. 3.5 points. It's 3.5 points. Your stop would be 3 points, and you hit the target. Okay? Let's move on now to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Do I see the trade here? Oh, yeah, I see it. There's two of them. Right here. And right there. Just like that. We got short right there. Very close to 8 o'clock U.S. session open. Stop would have been 19 points. And it went down 55. Then we had low and lower lows. Would have got long right here. Stop would have been 30 points. Went up 60. 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Let's look at the pound dollar now. What did we have with it? Well, we had hidden divergence. I just marked this on my other chart, so I know exactly where it is without hesitation. One going up, one going down. Put the arrow on. So when you bought here, remember, this was very close to the top resistance of today, and it was up here. When this set up, it was up here at the top of the chart because that was the high of the day. See? See right here? It came up all this way, and it was up here when this trade set up. And it scares you to get in the trade. So you got to make your chart smaller, or you got to do the yin-yang and yin it down, yang it up, you know. And that way you can see that there's farther, you know, projection to go. Otherwise, you're going to be scared to get in the trade. Okay. So you would have got long there. Your stop would have been like 10 points, 10 pips. Went up 44 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Pound dollar. And we can't forget our little doodah trades. Here's what. Excuse me, got hiccups now. There's one. There's two. There's three right there. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. 19 pips. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. 11, 12 pips. Lower close, buy it, potential 24 pips. Aren't those little thumbs up cool? Hey, those are cool motherfuckers, man. You betcha. That's the cool. Look at the drawdown on there. Zero drawdown, zero drawdown. This one, maybe a pip and a half drawdown. You see how freaking cool that is? That's cool. Pay attention. You can make moolah. But as you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my unique trade setups. Okay? Let's look at the euro now. Let's cover the euro. There's no trade to sell it here. But we did have a buy trade. I was looking at it right here when the price was here, and I'm saying, I don't know. I know there's a hidden divergence, but I don't know if I want to do this trade, and I didn't do it, and look, it fucking went up good. Instead, I traded oil today. Had a loser, then a winner. What can you do? I had to fight back and get the loss back, and then a little bit of profit, and that's what I did today. Okay. Oh, I got to put the doodah. The entry was right there. Here's another trade. This one doesn't count. And here's another trade. Let me show you. I'll put them on. So we have this one, lower close, buy it, up it goes. It kind of closed just on the borderline of below the moving averages, but you still could have did it and you were okay. Then there was not that one, this one. Why not this one? Because it closed below the two moving averages. And usually when it does that, it keeps going. That's why I will not put a thumbs up to buy it here, okay? Because this is a lower closing candle. So anyway, the first one, 11 pips potential. Second one, 18 pips potential. Beautiful. Now we have a double top. It's divergent. Is it going to come all the way back down? It could, but I'm not trading it. I'm done. It's 11 o'clock. Pound yen. Oh, wow. I just realized. I just got a little sharp pain in my head telling me, hello, hello, you got to eat now, you idiot. I didn't eat yet. I just realized that now. Shit. Okay, I got to do this fast here. I got to go eat something. Yeah, that's it for the euro. Pound yen. What did it do? Huh? I don't see no trade. What about the 15-minute? Yeah, it's on the 15. It's right here. It's like a triple bottom, whatever. Just like that, see? Just like that. So you would have bought right there on the opening of that candle. Zero drawdown, zero. Went up 116 pips, ladies and gentlemen. That was a beautiful one. And we had some lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. This one doesn't count. It closed below the moving averages. So yeah, so we had some good trades on here too. There she be. Let's move on to the euro yen. I don't know. You could just flip a quarter and guess. No, I'm kidding. Oh shit. I don't know. When it closed up here, you know, you could have bought it, or you could have bought the lower close. Oh, these two don't count. I wouldn't do this one or this one, because both of them closed below the moving averages. See that? I don't know. You could have bought a dip anywhere. I don't know. I don't really see divergence, to be honest with you. I see it now. There's a double top right here. But trading's over now. Let's take a look at gold now. Don't see no divergence here to buy it. This is on the 15-minute time frame. I have to go to the 5-minute. Yeah, it's kind of like divergence, eh? Almost. But what you would really be getting in the trade with is this very strong bull candle closing near the top of the candle. That would give you indication, and it, it closed up above the moving averages. So you would have got long right here, okay? And it went up quickly for you, 55 points. Then we had a retracement. Then we had another trade. Yeah, look at this. So if you would have sold somewhere in here, even if you waited for it to come back up to the 5 to sell it, the less risk entry, you still would have been screwed because your stop would be right there. They would have come and got your stop. But then once it did its whatever and stopped you out. So say you got in right here, you would have lost 23 points, okay? But then, like I told you before, even though it's the same setup to go down, you got to fight back. If you don't fight back, you're going to lose. You got to fight back, ladies and gentlemen. You got to. Like today, I had a losing trade. I'll show you on oil when we get to it. I'll show you the losing trade. What am I doing here now? Okay. Yeah, for the first trade, or no, for that trade, that was the loser. No. So it's right here. This was the first trade entry right there, and it went and hit your stop. Then you had to put up your dukes and fight again because this is the setup again. And guess what? It works out the second time. So if you sold there, your stop would be 22 points. Did you get the 22 points? Oh yeah, it went down 40 points. You would have got it. You would have got your loss back, and not much, maybe for a cup of coffee and a donut. That's what I did today on oil. Here's oil. Okay, we're looking at my live chart now. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing setups, that's all. And yeah, so this is what happened. There was hidden divergence right here. You know, when it closed down here, that's why I sold it down here. You can see the red arrow. The reason why I have these painting on my chart is because I have this tool here that I use, okay? So anyway, had a loser. First one was a loser. It was hidden divergence. It went down a little bit in profit, but they bought the fucker right up here. And then I waited. I said, well, this candle was going, and I waited. I said, maybe they'll just come to here. This is where I had my stop, but I moved it because I kind of had an idea once it started going back up here that they would have hit my stop. So I let it go a little bit longer, and I closed it myself right there with a loss. And then I said, oh, look, double bottom divergence. So I bought it right here, see? And it went up, and when that usually happens to me, I usually get back the profit, the loss that I made, and a little bit of profit, and I closed right there. Okay? That's what happened with the oil. And I think that is the last one of today. Let me see. Okay? We're back on the demo now. Yeah, so it was the last trade on here. But there's a trade right now, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving a trade signal. I'm just going to show you the setup, okay? We have like a double top right there. Okay? And right there like that. When this candle closes, yeah, it's a setup to the downside. Okay, that's it for today. That's it. That's all the setups, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, I want to thank you for coming, and thank you for watching and listening. It's really appreciated. If you could please hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I hope you had a nice turkey dinner and enjoy your Thanksgiving weekend. Good luck and good trading.